If you want to scan a document using your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, then let us see how to do it. For that one, I will be using Notes application, so I will open it. Then tap on this icon here to create a new note. Tap on this attach icon here. Select scan documents. Now you have to take a picture of a document by using your iPhone's back camera. So once you have taken a picture, you will see the image here. Select save. So this is the scanned document. Now you have to save this image. So tap on this arrow icon here and go to save to files. Now go back and you can save files either in iCloud or on my iPhone. I will select on my iPhone and then save. So let me close this one, and later on if I have to see the document, I will go to files, then I will go back, go to on my iPhone, and this is the scanned document. Now this document will be saved in PDF format. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.